Hey guys, so we finally got a rear chrome bumper for my dad's truck. As you can see, it's actually one that's for a 2500 HD. You can see the side kind of raises up there a little bit there. So we're going to have to swap over all the plastics, and it came with the brackets as well. I'll have to swap over those. So I'm going to go outside and power wash under the truck a little bit, clean it up, and I'll bring it back in here and get working on taking the old bumper off, swapping over the plastics and everything, and putting the new one on. It's pretty windy outside today. I'm going to go outside and power wash, like I said, a little bit under the truck. So I apologize for the wind noise in advance. So I'll go around the truck a little bit and show you what it looks like now. We haven't done anything since the last video, but we'll see what it looks like now. Let's go get started. So like I showed in the last video, you got the front chrome bumper on. Had to use these little black grommets to cover up the sensor holes, but I'll show a little bit here. So you got the black bumper on the back. So I'll clean it up a little bit and get back in the shop and start tearing it apart. Got the trailer wiring plug out. Just have to pinch these two tabs from the back and it comes right out, and there's a little safety for the wiring. Pull that out and then you can pull the plug away from the actual piece you plug in the trailer wiring to. That comes right out. So I also disconnected the bulbs, the wiring and the bulbs from the back. What I think we're going to try to do is take this plastic off first. That way we can get to the bolts. Get to the bolts that hold this bracket onto the actual bumper. See, there's some bolts in there. I'll try to leave the brackets on the truck and then swap the bumper, because it should be a little easier this way. We have to swap the plastic anyway, so we're going to see how that works. I'm going to try to take the top plastic off the new one first, see how hard it is. Should know if we can do it on the truck. So we'll take these 7mm bolts out right here, one here and one there, and then there's all these little push tabs here. Kind of squeeze them and the plastic should come right off. So we'll see how that works. So we got the top plastic piece off of the chrome bumper. This is the one we're not going to use. It wasn't the easiest thing in the world. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it off while it's on the truck. We're going to find out, but now you can get at these bolts here to get the brackets off, so we'll see. Can zip these old brackets off that we're not going to use. So we tried to get the top plastic cap off on the truck. That didn't work. So we got this receiver hitch off, and we got all the bolts loose on the bumper brackets. And now we took the bolts to the bed loose. We're just going to jack it up a little bit. You can't get the bumper to slide out unless the bed is out of the way. So jack the bed up a little bit. Bumper should slide right out. finished product. Just had to jack the bed back up a little bit, slide the new bumper back in after we swapped all the plastic and everything. Put the hitch back on. That's it. Thanks for watching.